A unique style of content has just taken over YouTube. It is 100% monetizable, completely free, and super easy to create. It's called Infotainment, a powerful mix of information plus entertainment. Many people know about this style, but most don't know how to actually make these videos. The best part? It takes just 10 minutes to create one. And today, on this channel, I'll show you step by step how to make infotainment videos for free. So first we will go to ChatGPT and write this prompt. Write a 100 to 200 word paragraph script for an infotainment short on interesting topics like why don't birds get electrocuted when they sit on power lines? Then copy the paragraph and go to 11 Labs. Sign in and select a voice. Now paste the paragraph and download the audio. Now search on Google, Animate from Audio Adobe. Sign into this website and now you can select your character and background and upload the audio. Congratulations! Your video is ready. These videos instantly get lots of views. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.